Rocket Lab is minus 5.91% today, and the reasons behind this move tell a bigger story about where global markets are heading. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is August 25th, and today we are putting the spotlight on Rocket Lab, a major global company. Rocket Lab is down 5.91% to $68.28 in today's session. Intraday prices ranged between $68.17 and $71.21. The long-term fundamentals for Rocket Lab revolve around earnings, macro conditions, and sector trends. Equity markets are responding to reports that RKLB stock gains overnight. Rocket Lab advances Neutron's Hungry Hippo and wins new Space Force deal, StockTwits. Let us look at the broader sector picture. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. Traders are reacting to news that S&P 500, NASDAQ end down on tech stocks. Investors weigh Iran moves. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. On the data front, investor sentiment is being shaped by tech drags S&P 500, NASDAQ lower as Iran tensions, Nvidia earnings loom, the spokesman review. Looking at how sector peers are positioned. Honda is down minus 2.92%, trading at 1,696 yen. Equity markets are responding to reports that Honda Motor, HMC, expected to announce earnings on Wednesday, MarketBeat. The technical picture for Honda has deteriorated. The 1,594 yen and 24 sen level will be critical to monitor. It represents a key line in the sand for bulls. A break below could trigger further stop-loss selling. Manage your risk carefully. Nvidia dropped sharply minus 2.91% to $208.48. Equity markets are responding to reports that Nvidia earnings, RE chip leader Q2 preview and stock analysis Intellectia RE. The AI infrastructure supercycle shows no sign of slowing. Nvidia's pricing power on H100 and Blackwell chips remains exceptional. No credible competitor is close on performance. The next catalyst is the next earnings call. Any upward revision to forward estimates would push the stock toward new highs. The main downside risk remains export controls. Walmart climbed plus 2.69% to $106.49. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Walmart stock tumbles 9% after outlook disappoints Wall Street. With momentum this strong, traders will be watching the $112.88 level closely. A clean break there would confirm the uptrend and could bring in additional momentum buyers. Risk management remains critical. Always size positions according to your own risk tolerance. Here is our analytical view on Rocket Lab from here. Equity markets are responding to reports that RKLB stock gains overnight. Rocket Lab advances Neutron's Hungry Hippo and wins new Space Force deal, StockTwits. Neutron medium-lift rocket development is the key valuation catalyst. A successful first launch would dramatically expand the addressable market and justify a meaningful re-rating. Space Systems revenue from satellite components and manufacturing is a steady, often overlooked earnings base. Watch for any Neutron program update or new DoD launch contract. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Every morning, before markets open, we break down exactly what is moving and why. If you want that edge every day, subscribe and hit the bell icon. If today's analysis was useful, a like is the best way to support the channel. We genuinely appreciate every single one. We read every comment. Drop your view below. Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is our spotlight on Rocket Lab from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of the world's biggest stocks.